In this video, I will show you how to set up Jockie music bot in Discord. So the first step is to simply create your server or simply choose on which server you want to add this bot. And then you're gonna have to simply open a new Google tab here and then simply search for Jockie music bot. Now you're gonna have to simply click on the second one, which is from top.gg, and then you're gonna get redirected to this page right here. Now what you're gonna have to do is simply click on invite, and then you're gonna get redirected to your Discord dashboard. Now you're gonna have to choose to which server you want to add this bot and then click on continue. Then you're gonna have to authorize this and you're gonna have to confirm this, and basically that's it. Now if we go back to our server, we can see that we have the bot right here. So let's go here, and as you can see we have some basic commands. So as you can see, play a track by link or search term, skip the current track, make the bot leave the voice channel, helps you set up bots feature. So here if you want you can simply type in the command and then basically they're gonna help you. As you can see, you have different settings, so you can play around with these settings. And as you can see, if you want you can simply type in like this, and then you can simply type play, and then here you can paste the YouTube video link, and then basically this bot will play that video in the background. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.